Hello students, are you looking for an internship program? Are you still confused which internship program to go for? Then don't worry, we have got you covered. At Sunbeam, we have the industrial and internship programs onto the various technologies. The technology covers the web technology using Node.js, also the console-based application using the Java, and also the internships into the Python, machine learning, and IoT as well. Now, if you are a group of 15 plus students and wish to work on specific technology, even we do provide the assistance on the same. Make sure that this is going to be a paid internship program where the trainer will guide you as per the industry standards so as to complete your projects. After the projects, you will be getting a certificate which you can even submit it into your colleges. To know more about these internship programs, you can contact us on our phone numbers. The more details about the internship is also given in the description below. Don't waste time in searching for the right internship. Now just start doing it. Click on the description below. Thank you.